Hi everybody, welcome. I'm David from Train Day, and today we're going to create from start to finish a SCORM compliant course based on fire prevention training, right? And we're just going to do this all from scratch right now using Train Day. So we're going to use about 4 slides and 2 quizzes just to show you how it works, right? So here we are at trainday.io. I'm going to log in here, and the first thing that I want to do is create a theme, right? So I'm going to use Canva for this. And how I got to this was I actually typed in fire awareness, and I ended up with this slide here. And I just wanted to go with this one, right? So I clicked on this one, and I had this slide. But what I'm going to do is delete this text, because I don't need the text. And I'm going to download this as a JPEG, right? So we'll download that. And I want to use this for the base of our theme for our course, right? So let me just put this on the desktop here. Now we don't need Canva anymore, right? So let's go back to Train Day, and let's say I want to go to themes first. Let's just do the theme first. I'm going to say create a theme. I want to drop that image in here. There we go. Let's call this fire safety, right? And I want to grab a presenter. Let's just grab this person here, right? Or better yet, let's use this person. This person still works for this, right? So fire safety course, boom, and we're going to add some text that we want the AI to put the relevant text in here. So we just have to have some text, and let's just use this font, and let's make the size be something like this, right? Give it some space, but we want enough space. All right, and let's save this theme, and now we have this theme to use with all our projects, right? And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see my theme right there, right? So now what we want to do is go to projects, and we'll create a project. We'll do employee training. I just want to use text, and I want to say basic fire awareness course, right? And we'll click use this data, and let's say summarize, and we'll do create, and let's do 5 slides, right? So now you know it's going to create our content slides for our basic fire awareness course. It's going to create an interactive quiz that covers the entire course content, and it's going to give us kind of like a generic theme, but we're going to replace it with our fire theme that we just created, and then we're going to create some quizzes in between the slides, right? So here we go. Let's check out our course. Let's rename it real quick. Let's call it fire awareness. Right, and you see we got our content. It's a generic design, but this looks pretty good, right? And then of course, you know, we got the quiz at the end. Boom. So what we want to do is go to themes, and I want to apply my theme here, and I want to apply it to all slides, of course. And you know, you can edit individual slides if you want, you know, to put a little more effort into them. But we're just going to work with this one. Okay, so we got welcome, we got understanding fire, we got fire prevention strategies, emergency procedures. All right, so let's take this one, and let's generate this slide right here, right? This looks good to us. We'll generate this one. I don't know if we need this welcome one. That could be good too. So let's generate the welcome one too, and then we'll do the fire prevention strategies. Let's just refresh this real quick. We'll do the fire prevention strategies too, just for this one. Generate that. And then let's do 2 quizzes. And that will do it for us, right? So let's refresh this again. And I'm going to come on this slide right here, understanding fire, and I want to add a quiz. And then we're going to generate some questions, right? So we're going to go on our quiz. We want to generate questions, and we're going to choose this slide, right? So understanding fire, generate the quiz on this slide's content, and let's just do 5 questions. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's click on our quiz. Boom. All right, so okay, multiple choice questions on our quiz. This is what we want, right? Now what we want to do is go to fire prevention strategies and create another quiz, and we want to generate a multiple choice questions on that quiz too. So let's scroll down. Here's our second quiz, so kind of like a knowledge check, and we're just going to do it based on fire prevention strategies, right? So you want the quizzes to be specific on these 2 slides, one after the other, kind of like a knowledge check, right? So let's see what we get. Okay, let's check this quiz out here. Boom. All right, what is Q shatter prevention? Yeah, good. So it's all based on this slide, fire prevention strategies, right? So let's go back to the home page, and you see we got 3 slides in progress. We'll wait till they're done. When they're done, we're going to be ready to export our SCORM package and take our course. All right, so all our slides are done. Let's see what we got. Open the project here, and we have our slides and our quizzes, so we should be ready, right? So let's see what we got. Here we go.
Hello and welcome, everyone. We're excited to have you here for our basic fire awareness course.
That's it. And you can always edit these slides. You can come in here and just write more on the text. You know what I mean? Whatever you want. So we could say like, welcome to fire awareness training, right? Welcome to fire awareness training, and then just regenerate the slide. You know what I mean? But we won't do that for now. So let's check out this other slide.
To begin, let's understand what fire is. Fire is a chemical reaction.
That's good. And you already know our quizzes are good. Let's check this last slide right here.
Next, we'll discuss fire prevention strategies. Prevention is key.
There we go. So this looks good. So we're going to export this as a SCORM package. We want this one first, this one, then our quiz, this one, and then this quiz. We won't do this quiz because we didn't generate all the slides, and this quiz is based on the entire course, right? So we'll go ahead and create the document. We'll get our SCORM file, and we're going to test it in SCORM Cloud, but it should work with any LMS that you have, right? So here we go. Here's our SCORM package. Let's download it. There we go. And I'm going to place this on my desktop, and I'm going to go over to SCORM Cloud. I'm going to click Add Content. And I'm going to browse my file here, pick up the fire awareness course, click import course, and now we're just going to let this work, and what will pop up is our SCORM course, and we'll go ahead and take it, and let's see the results, right? Here's our course. Let's go ahead and launch it. Here we are. Let's check out the first slide.
Hello and welcome, everyone. We're excited to have you here for our...
Let's go next. See our next slide.
To begin, let's understand what fire is.
Here we are presented with a quiz. Let's just guess, kind of guess on the quiz. Let's try and do our best guess, right? So in our answers, we got 40%. That's okay. We'll move on next. So
next we'll discuss fire prevention strategies. Prevention is key to maintaining a safe work.
All right, we'll go next. And we'll just try and guess really good on this one too. Submit answers. Okay, we got the last two right. All right, 60%. So this is the last slide. We'll click exit, And there we go. So it's complete. We got 50% score, and it took 1 minute and 1 second in the course, right? So you get all your data to your LMS, and you've created your SCORM file in just a few minutes, not even half a day, not even a fourth of a day, right? So excited to see what you build with Train Day and your SCORM packages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.